ब्लॉक कर दी क्या? चलने दो. So look here, the most vital and brightest source of the light for Earth is the sun. The object that emits light, known as source of light. Next, the plastic sheet coated on the book is usually plastic sheet. You know well, plastic sheet is the transparent object. Plastic sheet is the transparent object. Image formed by pinhole camera is inverted and real image. A shadow shifts on the of the position of the sun, position of the light source, position of the object. जैसे जैसे चेंज ऑब्जेक्ट पोजीशन चेंज होती है बच्चों, हमारी यहाँ पर क्या होती है, जो शेडो की पोजीशन भी चेंज हो जाती है. नेक्स्ट वन, शेडो इज फॉर्म्ड टू द पिनहोल कैमरा लैटरली. कैसे होती है? वाई? ड्यू टू द what is the principle behind the pinhole camera? The principle behind the pinhole camera is the phenomena of rectilinear propagation of light. Rectilinear propagation of light. Image. अब एक काम करता हूं मैं यहां पर. Next one, image formed from the plane mirror or plane mirror, same size of the object, laterally inverted, same distance of the distance from the mirror to image is equal to the distance between mirror to object. Next, object do not allow light to pass through them. Opaque object. A straight line with arrowhead is known as ray of light. A straight line with arrowhead is known as ray of light. जो भी हो इसको करेक्ट कर लेंगे, ray of light. Only object cast well defined uniformly dark shadow. Which kind of objects? Opaque objects. Objects which do not emit light. The objects which emit light are known as luminous object. The objects which do not emit light are known as non-luminous objects. The moon and earth have no light on their own. It is true. Moon and earth, they reflect the light of sun. A layer of oil on paper makes it transparent. Yes. Transparent nahi, for it is false. It makes the paper translucent. पेपर कैसे बन जाता है बच्चों? ट्रांसल्यूसेंट. नाउ इमेज फ्रॉम द प्लेन मिरर is bigger than the object? No, it is image formed from the plane mirror is same size of the object. Letters of the word ambulance कर दोगे आप लोग? What do you understand by living sources of light? What do you understand by living sources of light? तो यहां पर मैं इसको look here. What do you understand by living sources of light? Living sources of light means the light which is produced by living organisms, which is produced by living organisms. The light which is produced by living organisms is known as living source of light. For example, fireflies. Some of the fishes which live in the ocean, some fishes also having this capacity to produce the light. Next one, what is lateral symmetry? Lateral symmetry, the process, the process due to which, the process due to which right side appear to left, the process due to which right side appears to left, right side appears to left, and vice versa. Vice versa means right side appear to left and left side appear to right, and right side appear to left, left side appear to right. This phenomena is called as lateral inversion, is called lateral symmetry, is called lateral symmetry or lateral inversion or lateral inversion. Right. Next, what is the difference between the luminous and non-luminous bodies? You can, you know this answer. The bodies which can emit their light, which can emit their own light, are known as luminous objects. Luminous object, candle, sun, stars, bulb, these are the luminous object. The objects which do not, which unable to emit their light, they reflect only, they light reflect only. So such kind of objects are known as non-luminous object. Non-luminous object, earth, all the planets, all the things which are table, chair, whatever it is, these are the non-luminous objects, non-luminous bodies. How are rays and beams different? So इसका आंसर मैं लिख देता हूं यहाँ पे. A single straight line, a single straight line with arrowhead, with arrowhead, a single straight line with arrowhead, a single straight line with arrowhead to show, to show direction of propagation of light, to show direction of propagation of light is called, a single straight line with arrowhead to show direction of propagation of light is called ray of light, is called ray of light. While the collection of light rays, while the collection of light rays is called as beam of light. नोट कर लिया बच्चों यारों. Take screenshot. A single straight line with arrowhead to show the direction of propagation of light is called as ray of light. A collection of collection of ray of light, of rays of light, a collection of rays of light is called beam of light, is called beam of light. The beam of light may be of three types, while rays only one type. Beam of light may be of three types, Range, it is not different types, but beam of light is of three types. Beam of light is of three types. जब भी एग्जाम में आएगा डायग्राम बना के शो करेंगे बच्चों. Without diagram, there is no meaning of the your answer. Like this. This is ray of light. Ray of light. This is beam of light. Parallel beam. Parallel beam. ये कौन है भाई? Parallel beam. Converging beam. Converging beam. And this one. Diverging beam. Diverging beam. Got it? So, next question. What happens when light falls on an object? Classify different types of object on this basis. So, साथ के साथ नोट करते चले. कोई प्रॉब्लम? चलो बच्चों नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. What happens when light falls on an object? बच्चों जब भी किसी ऑब्जेक्ट पे लाइट फॉल होती है तो क्या होता है? नंबर वन, सम ऑफ द लाइट may be pass through the object. Such kind of objects are known as transparent object. Some of the objects can absorb the light partially or can absorb complete light. Such kind of, if they absorb light partially are known as translucent object. The object which absorb completely or do not allow to pass light are known as opaque objects. Or the objects which reflect the light, bounce off the light, such kind of objects are known as, yes, what kind of objects? Shining objects. Mirror. Next one, how is shadow formed? Shadow is when what are its characteristics? इतनी सारी बातें को ढाली हमने. When an opaque object lie in the path of light, and then shadow will form. Write the characteristic of image formed in the pinhole camera. तो characteristic हमने डिस्कस कर लिया. Invert image, real image, and invert real smaller than the object. Next, natural and artificial sources of light. You can do convergent and divergent beam of light. You can do. चलो बच्चों, अभी तो टाइम बाकी है यार, बहुत टाइम बाकी. मैं तुम लोगों को इधर घुमाता हूँ मेरी तरफ. तुमको मेरी तरफ घुमाता हूँ, सामने फ्रंट का. अब बैग की जरूरत ही नहीं अपने को. ये लो.